Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. In this video I am DIYing a wall decor with the help of cardboard. It is very easy DIY, so watch the whole video, and if it is helpful please like and subscribe. Here I am taking a dress box for the window, so this way we can make a good fake window without throwing away the box that came with the dress and with zero cost rupees. I only need cardboard in the middle, and for that I am cutting the edges. I am taking a middle page paper and making a rough drawing for the shape of the window. You can draw directly on cardboard, but I have drawn on paper first to make both sides of the window equal. Once we have the desired window shape, take the cardboard and draw on it. Now cutting the cardboard in the drawn shape, I have taken two cardboards like this, one for the front and one for the back. Now I am cutting the remaining dress box cardboard piece for the window mesh with a width of 1.3 cm. After cutting 20 pieces like this, paste them all one by one as I am doing. Guys, if you like the ideas I have shown so far, please subscribe and I'll be more motivated to make more videos with good ideas. Also, I have uploaded many similar DIY ideas on my channel, so please check them out and don't forget to share it with your friends. Now the window we need is ready. To make it strong, I am taking white cement and applying a coating. After applying this, it should be completely dried in the sun for one day. Now it has completely dried. Before painting the desired color, I am applying white paint as a base coat. I want to paint this window blue, so I am using this blue color Fevicryl. I mixed some white paint with the blue, that's why it is somewhat light blue color in shade. Our window is all ready. Now I want to place flowers on top of the window as a decoration. So I made roses out of pink paper. One after the other I pasted them on top of the window. I wanted all these flowers to look like they were crawling over the window. So I arranged all the flowers that way. I pasted some flowers off camera, and this is our final DIY fake window wall decor. I'm so happy this DIY turned out the way I wanted. I hope you liked it too. If you liked, please share it with your friends and subscribe. I will come with more good DIYs for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.